सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे आप लोगों को पता है यानी तानूर में आई एम द न्यू स्टाफ. सो फर्स्टली आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ. ओके, मैं सलाउद्दीन सैयद यूपी से हूँ और मैंने अपनी क्या कहते हैं तालीम जो है नहीं कुवत से पढ़ी है. 5 साल कुवत में पढ़ा है, उसके बाद फिर दारुल हुदा में, फिर आफ्टर दैन आई कंप्लीट माई कोर्स. सो एंड you all of you will know about Naufal Ustad Tanur. He is my Ustad. So that's it. This is my short introduction. Salauddin Sayyid. My name is Salauddin Sayyid. Okay. So inshallah after coming to campus we will introduce. Okay, so no need to any more explanation of anything. It will be better because there is no any facility here. So that's why I think it will be better to just communicate and just आप लोगों को कुछ बताऊं, बस थोड़ी थोड़ी कुछ बातें बताऊंगा इंशाल्लाह, जिसमें आप लोगों को तकलीफ़ भी ना होगी. ओके. हाँ, वन मोर थिंग that you have to just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get more update. Okay, so it is very important for you because whenever I will upload the video you will get notification automatically. And if you will press the bell icon, if you will not, so inshallah I will just share the link of the video, so you may get easily this video, so you can watch it. Okay, and inshallah I think there is some instructions for students as they should every time they should be present in online classes, and so all of you will be aware about it. So and I think there is no any more duration. It means on I think 1 hour in morning and 1 hour in evening. There will be only 4 period per day, half of hour. Okay, so be careful, be online. That's it. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.